A blast from the past, reliving the golden age of gaming. Remember the magic of classic video games? Think back to the pixelated graphics, iconic soundtracks, and those unforgettable adventures. The thrill of conquering a boss, the joy of unlocking a secret level. These are the experiences that shaped a generation of gamers. The nostalgia is real, and it's more powerful than ever. Today, the retro gaming scene is thriving, fueled by a desire to reconnect with the classics and introduce a new generation to the games that started it all. At the forefront of this retro resurgence is the MIYOO Mini Plus, a handheld console that packs a nostalgic punch. This isn't just a blast from the past, it's a portal to a universe of gaming history, right in the palm of your hand. The MIYOO Mini Plus isn't just about reliving old memories, it's about creating new ones. It's about sharing the joy of classic gaming with friends, family, and a whole new generation of players. So buckle up and get ready to rediscover the magic of retro gaming with the MIYOO Mini Plus. It's time to dive back into those pixelated worlds and experience gaming's golden age all over again. Don't let its small size fool you. The MIYOO Mini Plus is a true powerhouse, capable of playing thousands of games from various classic consoles. It's a marvel of engineering, packing a ton of features into its compact frame. At the heart of the MIYOO Mini Plus is a dual-core ARM Cortex-A7 processor. This little chip is a workhorse, delivering smooth performance and ensuring your games run flawlessly. Paired with a Linux-based operating system, the Mini Plus offers a snappy and responsive gaming experience. The 3.5-inch IPS HD screen is a real standout feature. With vibrant colors and sharp visuals, the Mini Plus brings your favorite retro games to life with stunning clarity. Whether you're battling foes in a side-scrolling platformer or exploring vast RPG worlds, the screen delivers an immersive visual experience. But the MIYOO Mini Plus is more than just a pretty screen and a powerful processor. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of classic gaming and the passionate community that keeps the spirit alive. Imagine this. You're on a long commute, the train rattles along the tracks, but you're lost in another world. The world of your favorite retro games, brought to life in your hands. That's the beauty of the MIYOO Mini Plus. Its compact size makes it the perfect travel companion, letting you enjoy retro gaming wherever you go. The Mini Plus's portability goes beyond its size. The battery life is impressive, providing hours of gameplay on a single charge. Whether you're on a cross-country flight or just relaxing at home, you can game for hours without interruption. The controls are intuitively placed and responsive, making it easy to pull off those pixel-perfect jumps and combos. The D-pad is especially satisfying, offering the tactile feedback that retro gamers crave. It's all about recreating that authentic retro gaming experience, and the MIYOO Mini Plus nails it. But there's more to the MIYOO Mini Plus than meets the eye. It's a gateway to a vibrant community of retro gaming enthusiasts, all brought together by their love for classic games and the device that lets them relive those memories. Section 4. Power up your nostalgia. A universe of games at your fingertips. The MIYOO Mini Plus isn't just a console. It's a time machine. It opens a portal to your childhood, letting you revisit the games that shaped your love for gaming. Remember spending hours on end with your Game Boy Advance, PlayStation, or Sega Genesis? The MIYOO Mini Plus lets you relive those memories in all their pixelated glory. But it's not just about the games you grew up with. The Mini Plus lets you discover hidden gems and experience classics you might have missed the first time around. With the ability to run emulators for various consoles, the Mini Plus opens up a vast library of games, spanning multiple generations of gaming history. The expandable storage options mean you can carry your entire retro game collection in your pocket. No more switching cartridges or digging through dusty boxes. With the MIYOO Mini Plus, your favorite games are always at your fingertips. And the best part? The MIYOO Mini Plus is more than just a solo adventure. It's a way to connect with a passionate community of like-minded gamers. Section 5. Join the retro revolution. Why the MIYOO Mini Plus is a must-have. The MIYOO Mini Plus isn't just a great retro handheld console, it's a gateway to a thriving community. Online forums and groups are buzzing with discussions about the latest custom firmware, game recommendations, and tips and tricks. This sense of community adds another layer of enjoyment to the Mini Plus experience. One of the most significant advantages of this community is the development of custom firmware. like the popular Onion OS. This custom software enhances the Mini Plus in countless ways, offering improved user interface, enhanced features, and even greater game compatibility. It's a testament to the dedication and passion of the MIYOO Mini Plus community. Whether you're a seasoned retro gamer or a newcomer looking to experience the classics for the first time, the MIYOO Mini Plus is the perfect way to dive into the world of retro gaming. It's affordable, portable, and incredibly versatile, making it an ideal choice for gamers of all ages and experience levels. So what are you waiting for? Join the retro revolution and experience the magic of the MIYOO Mini Plus for yourself. It's time to rediscover the joy of classic gaming, one pixel at a time.